Welcome to the Level 2 Book Smart English series. What else if not the Smart English series? This is already the 12th episode, so you must know it. And who else would know it if not you who is watching it, right? I used what else and who else in my questions. But what does else mean in these sentences? Well, it means that, in my opinion, there's no other option. What else if not this? Who else if not you? But of course you can use else with a question word to express another thing. It can also be used as a synonym of more, another, as in the sentence, who else did you invite to the party? Me and who else? So far so good, but here's a question for you. Which question words can go together with else? Look at the following sentences. Which ones do you think are correct? Where else did you go in the summer? Why else do you learn English? How else did you try? Which else would you choose? When else can you visit me? So, do you have an idea? If you said that the first 3 sentences are correct, then you're right. You can use else with these question words. What else? Who else? Where else? Why else? How else? So how else would you remember them better if not by practicing? So go ahead. For more inspiring grammar topics, visit us on level2books.com.